So now I want to show you about how to copy and paste. So let's go to a different sheet and let's start from scratch. So let's delete this. So just selecting, now I can just press the word delete and I've deleted that. So let's type some things: red, orange. Suppose you want to copy this to the next column, so select that. Now you can click on home. It's got a copy thing there. Then left click and then just click on paste. That's one way of doing it. Now I've actually got a specially enabled mouse that I've set up, so I've programmed one of the buttons to copy and another one to paste. So if you copy and paste a lot, it might be worth investing in a mouse like that. Or the other way of doing it is you can use keyboard shortcuts. If you mouse over the copy, it's got copy brackets ctrl+C close brackets, so it's telling you the keyboard shortcuts, and they're often a lot faster than using the mouse all the time. So ctrl+C to copy. Let's add some more in here. Green, blue. Suppose I copy those, so select all these. So now I just press ctrl+C. Now I want to copy it to there, so I paste, so I can click there, but as you can see, if I mouse over, it's got paste brackets ctrl+V. So in practice, I either use my programmable mouse buttons or I do ctrl+V, and there you paste, and you can paste as many times as you like. The other thing I wanted to show you was about paste special values. So supposing you have a formula here, so I'll get on to formulas in a minute. So, but supposing that is a formula, so that is 2 plus 2. It's showing up as 4, but supposing I don't want it to be a formula anymore, supposing I want it to be a value, all I do is I copy it, then click on that little arrow there, and you see it's got paste values and a V there with a 1, 2, 3 underneath. Click on that, then press enter, and you see up here now it just says 4 instead of 2 plus 2. So we've converted a formula into a number, which in the case of 2 plus 2 it doesn't really matter because it's the same thing, but if it was adding two cells together which were changing, that could make quite a bit of difference.